Safety Week right here on AMHQ. Lauren, always good to have you on the show. Good morning.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning.
All right, Lauren, how many new vehicles do we have out there that are equipped with technological safety advances, and what are some of these new features?
Well, depending on the brand, some of the luxury brands have been offering some of this high-end features for quite a few years. So I would say there's more vehicles on the road than you might suspect. Remember, last year we sold 17.2 million vehicles. That's a lot of cars. And a lot of them have that new technology, I would say most.
So things like lane change, departure, and blind spot detection. What else is there out in terms of safety features?
Well, there's active cruise control, and that means when you're like in stop-and-go traffic. I mean, Volvo's been offering this for years. Audi's been offering it for years. So that's when you leave your cruise control on in stop-and-go traffic, and it can literally move forward and back, giving you the safe distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. So that's great. And around view cameras, which I totally love. I mean, then there's self-parking for those of you that have no clue how to parallel park. But I'm here in New York City today. You got to parallel park. It's like a mandatory thing.
So it's the technology and the advances in semiconductors and things like that that have made this technology pretty much available in all cars now, right?
Right, you can get it in the most basic car. I mean, you can buy yourself a reasonably priced Ford product, and then it'll parallel park for you. I mean, you can get it in the Ford Escape. You can get all this active cruise control, around view cameras. Was the one who invented the around view camera, and I fell in love with it, and that was way back in the early 2000s.
All right, so I just want to continue off this. Which stuff shouldn't you use when the weather is wet and messy and cold and snowy?
That is an excellent question, because people think cruise control is the way to go. But when there is ice and slush on the roadways, don't use your cruise control. Most of the time it doesn't work anyhow, because that slush splashes up and gets over all the sensors, the LiDAR, the cameras, and the detectors of all. There's a multitude of different brands and types. But once they're covered in snow and ice, they're not going to give you any information. Matter of fact, most of the time you'll get a notification on your dash saying it's not functioning.
Don't use it. All right, Lauren, real quick, because we only have about 20 seconds, but what is the key thing we should do to winterize our car, knowing that cold is coming?
Well, obviously, top thing is be car care aware. Get that book in the glove box out from all the napkins and ketchup packs. Look at the service schedule. I've been in your glove box, Jim.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, no.
But remember,
by the way, I like
all
that
the 9
necklace.
Fluids. Thank you.
I love that drivetrain necklace. That's awesome. All right, Lauren, thanks for talking to us. We'll talk to you soon. We'll talk about my glove box.